This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 11: The World of Visual Culture I. Visual perception can create compelling illusions on surfaces, distorting our understanding of depth, motion, and reality itself. In modern times, visual culture dominates our lived experiences through the ever-present screen, distancing us from physical reality as images and symbols convey meaning over text. There has been a paradigm shift from oral traditions transmitting wisdom to linear written histories. And now visuals have superseded text as the dominant mode of communication. Interactivity is a hallmark of today's visual culture, enabling control over multimedia content that was once passive and allowing us to navigate, pause, and repeat at will. Immersive technologies are blurring the lines between the real and virtual worlds, creating hyper-realistic simulations that appear indistinguishable from physical reality. As we move forward, we must grapple with this enveloping virtual realm, understanding its impacts and developing strategies to manage our relationship with an existence increasingly mediated through visual interfaces. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.